indicator, TFSI, but it's not a Volkswagen Audi product, so uncommon swap, I guess.
Yeah, it's a one of one. Not that I know of anyone else has done it before. So,
is it working?
It's all working, all good.
Yeah. Well, why did you go for this, actually?
I know the engine pretty well, and obviously we come out to the ring quite often, so I wanted parts that we can get our hands on quite easily.
Yeah, because obviously you can get parts of this easier than of like a 306 GTI, I guess. What's the weight difference?
So it's 950 kg. This is I think Golf is roughly about 1300 kg. So.
But did you measure how it is now, like, or like the difference in the weight of the engines?
No, I didn't know. No.
Yeah, because I can imagine. I think this is a bit heavier than the stock 306, probably.
I'd imagine so.
Yeah, because it felt a bit. Because I already done a lap, it felt a bit like on the understeering side because there's more weight over the front axle than originally is. Other than that, the steering is, I guess, fully stock.
Yeah, like fully stock steering.
Because it feels a bit numb at the start, and then it turns in.
I've got so this bracket is off an Audi A4. I've got space to run a power steering pump. We just got to get the lines made up in a power steering bottle, and then we'll be able to run power steering then.
Nice. Yeah, other than that, it doesn't have the stickiest tires we would like to have for this power. Speaking of the power, what's the power in running?
270 brake,
wow.
350 Newton meter torque.
Wow, alright. Different brakes. Yeah, as mentioned, not the grippiest of tire setups, but maybe in the future. Yeah. And on the back, it's same, right?
Same tire on the rear. Just stock calipers, yellow stuff pads on the rear.
Yeah.
Hawk HP S5 pads on the front, with obviously the comp brakes.
Nice. Then interior, very interesting, because for me, with the low seat position, with the GTI pattern and the steering wheel not being able to adjust, I was actually looking through the steering wheel on the outside. That was a quite interesting experience. We have some pedal box here as well. Is that Cooler Works?
Cooler Works shifter.
Yeah, Cooler Works shifter. And yeah, not much of the
homemade dash because it didn't work. So
yeah, of course. The dash didn't work, so this is why actually I'm also running Draghi for the GPS speed and also G-forces, etc. So if you want to have some telemetry yourself, use code Misha on godraghi.com. And having said that, yeah, as mentioned already, done a lap. It's a fuel filter. Yeah, it just needs. Well, what brake pads were actually on the front?
Hawk HPS flaps.
Yeah.
They came with the kit. I want to run a bit
something better. Yeah. Definitely for me, it needs definitely grippier tires and bitier brakes, because that for the power that it was having, it felt a bit. I wasn't comfortable enough. Let's call it that way. So. But yeah,
it's at the first stages of its build, so it's all brand new. We're still sorting a couple of things out.
Awesome. Well, I guess I'll see you later in the year, so we can give it a round 2. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
So you guys enjoy the lap. All right, welcome aboard. Okay, so window up. It's convenient having power windows. I'm kind of cautious of this car, because I don't think the tires in grip levels match the horsepower output and the lack of ABS and everything else. So let's see. Seating position is also not ideal, but I was just very curious about the build. Lots of wheel spin. Not having RPM gauge is kind of also not ideal. Hope you can hear me. Whoa. I'm turning the steering wheel, but there's not a lot happening. Do not want to lock up the brakes. Oh man. For the indicator. Is that it? Maybe. Yeah. going. It's interesting. La 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 la. Well, it's good that it's yellow, so the car can cool down already. Like the water temp already going towards 96. Huh. We'll see. There's really not a lot happening, and on the gas and for the same thing, so I'm terribly sorry, but it's simply not safe to go faster than we're going. Going uphill, the temperature starts climbing. I'm gonna try to keep it low RPM so the coolant doesn't overboil. Yeah, it's unfortunate that the tires are not matching the power. Steering neither, because the first half of the steering input there is nothing happening. I was looking forward to it, but this car has some work to do. It's hot.